beer, chicken. We're making beer can chicken. So we're gonna start lathering up the chicken with some oil and using Christy Vanover's chicken rub from Girls Can Grill. We're gonna season it and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes to marinate. Using a 3/4 full beer can, we're gonna place that into the chicken cavity and set it up straight. We're gonna preheat our grill to about 350, adding some hickory wood chunks in there for a good smoke flavor. And we're gonna add that chicken onto the grill, cooking it for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, or until it's about 165 internal temp. Making sure that we don't open that lid just so we get the outside crust absolutely juicy. Once it's rested for about 5 minutes, we're gonna slice into it and make sure that it's delicious. Christy Vanover's chicken rub recipe is killer and you can find it on spiceology.com. I highly recommend this recipe. Cheers. If you love coffee, you're gonna love this steak. Let's do this. We're gonna marinate our ribeyes in 1/4 cup stout beer, 1/8 cup soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce with 2 tablespoons of my new Imperial Coffee Stout rub. We're gonna mix that and marinate in the fridge for about an hour. Next, we're gonna preheat our skillet with some oil and sear the steaks for about 4 minutes per side to cook them until they're about 120 internal. Oh, dude, that pan sear is one of my absolute favorites. We're gonna top them each with 1 tablespoon of butter. Once they're done cooking, we're gonna take them off and let them rest for about 8 minutes, getting rid of the excess oil in the pan. We're gonna deglaze it with 1/8 cup of stout beer and add a couple garlic cloves, some sprigs of rosemary and thyme, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Let that simmer over the fire. Look at those freaking ribeyes. We're gonna slice them up and top them off with that cream sauce, and we are ready to eat. This is such a fun recipe. Find it on my Instagram. Cheers. Bacon makes everything better, so why not bacon wrapped trout? Let's do this. We're going to season the trout with your favorite barbecue seasoning and wrap it in bacon, putting it over the fire at a decent medium-high heat and cooking it for about 8 to 9 minutes per side till the bacon gets super crispy. Top it off with some chopped parsley and we are ready to go. This is so delicious. Cheers.